Hope you guys are having a great week. In this video, we have three stocks that you guys have to watch for tomorrow. Okay, let's get started here with PayPal stock. Now, PayPal stock dropped today around 3%. The day before that, yesterday, we were up a really good amount, but today we had OpenAI announcing agentic shopping, and they're partnering up with Stripe for agentic shopping. Now, I believe Google and Gemini, they don't have agentic shopping features right now on their AI, but we did have the Google and PayPal deal. So I think in the next couple days, I think we can also see Gemini having agentic shopping on their AI. So this is going to be a big catalyst that we are taking a look at. If we take a look at the technical analysis, we dropped 3.76% today, and it is sitting right at the level of support. Now, on Twitter, on YouTube, I've been getting a lot of comments on, we're going to break this support to the downside. But the way that I see it is the support down below and this level below is the tariff level. So this is sort of the tariff zone, and this is going to be considered like bad earnings or really, really bad news or some catalyst. So even if we take a look at the RSI looks decent, but it's definitely not the lowest here. But okay, the lowest it was at the tariff level. So the way that I see it is, I think this is a really, really strong level of support. We can also see that it's a really strong level. It was a very strong level of resistance also previously. So this is a very respectable level of support. And I did get into a position on PayPal today. So on the Discord, I made a new channel, 2K to $60,000 off this PayPal play. Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I'm gonna be making a video on this whole play. It's a insane call debit spread that I got. So I'm gonna be going in very, very deep in tomorrow's video, and that is a very, very small play. Most of our position, we have long-term stocks and whatever. So this is going to be a new small account challenge that I want to start in the Discord. So make sure to join the Discord if you have not already. So we're taking a look at PayPal here. I'm expecting a really nice bounce off of this level, and our price target $70.45 for the rest of the week for PayPal. Overall, the bigger time frame, it just looks absolutely amazing. We take a look at the monthly time frame, really the lowest it has ever been. The Google deal, the earnings are looking really, really good. And on Twitter, I made a really good tweet on this chart of many previous setups that have been like PayPal. So I'll be talking more in deep on PayPal in our next video. Next, we have Coinbase, ticker symbol coin. So Coinbase here um, is similar setup to PayPal, but it is actually looking to break out to the upside. So first we have to take a look at like Bitcoin. Bitcoin bounced off of this level of support. We have a resistance to the upside. We have so much room to the upside. We can also take a look at Ether, similar situation with Ether and Solana. So Solana is pretty much like at a level of resistance right now, or a level of support, but we can take a look at Coinbase and the chart looks really, really nice. Now the ideal entry would be right at this level of support. So if it does drop, I want to buy in at this level. This would be the perfect entry. It's like buying PayPal right now at the level of support. But the great thing about Coinbase is we do have this gap to the upside. So this is going to be sort of the incentive to fill this gap, and this is going to act as our price target if you want to swing calls for Coinbase. So this is what I'm taking a look at Coinbase. If we take a look at the bigger time frame, looks really, really nice. Also, we have so much room to the upside, especially with what Robinhood is just doing. Robinhood has been just absolutely killing it and crushing it, and I think we can see Robinhood, see Coinbase following that path also. So playing this breakout to the upside is going to be a very nice play. We could also see, we had another breakout right over here, and then we also had a very similar breakout here. We also had sort of this inverse head and shoulder. So this is going to be a solid breakout for Coinbase and definitely another watch for this week. Next, we have Tesla stock. Okay, we have to take a look at the bigger picture on the monthly time frame. Okay, on the monthly time frame, it is looking absolutely amazing. It is just breaking to the upside. Okay, it's breaking to the upside. It's creating new highs, and we're finally breaking out after 2021, which is around 4 years, we are finally breaking out of this consolidation period. If we take a look at the daily time frame, okay, we are getting that momentum here. We have this consolidation, but once we break out to the upside, we're going to have that huge move to the upside. Pretty much last chance to buy below the previous resistance and the previous all-time high. So this is really going to be the last chance before we're going to the upside, especially in the next year or two for Tesla. So this is what we are taking a look at for Tesla. Next, I'm just going to add a bonus stock here. We have been talking a lot about trade desk. I made a whole video on this setup, and we have really gotten that bounce that we were taking a look at. So we can see this was the absolute perfect entry when we posted the video. We're already up around 11% on shares here. If it does drop again, it's going to be a great entry, but keep in mind to leave your stop loss right at break even. Okay, so below $43, even below like $40, that's going to be a really nice level for our stop loss. But this chart looks absolutely amazing. Another incredible play. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to be tuned for tomorrow's video, and I'll see you guys later.